I'm Dr. Mutanna from Vasana Care. This is Dr. Devika, a corneal and refractive surgeon. ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಐ ವೆಲ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಆಗೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಐಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಲಾಕೋಮಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಟಿನಾ. ಪೇಷಂಟಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸ್ ಆದರೆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದೆರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಗ್ಲಾಕೋಮಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಟಿನಾ ಫ್ರೀ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ with super specialist consultation exclusively for Star Health customers has been launched. It is available in all Karnataka branches, 18 branches including 9 branches in Bangalore. Thank you.
Good morning, Namaskara. I'm Dr. Devika Singh. I'm a cornea, cataract and LASIK super specialist here in Vasana Care, Rajaji Nagar. We have all super specialists under one team here in our center. So from basic needs to advanced super speciality needs, whatever be your patient's concern, they will be well taken care of here. The infrastructure is well equipped with the latest modalities of technology, surgical equipment, and the patient care is absolute top notch. So I'm really looking forward to your support.
Hello. First of all, thank you very much for coming and helping us out with this. Now, basically, what I want to tell you through your medium is, as you are experienced journalists being heard everywhere in Bangalore, Karnataka, and all over the country. So I would like to just say a few words for patient awareness. So many of the patients, they feel that eye is mainly about cataract or getting the glasses removed. But in the eye, there are many other things which are equally or more important than that. So all eyes are, what we see from outside is actually only 10% of the eyeball. Majority, 90% of the eyeball is inside the head. So this eyeball which is there inside the head, it is made up of many parts such as retina or the nerve which connects the eye to the brain, which any effect or defect in the retina or this nerve can also lead to loss of vision. So any patient who is undergoing any kind of cataract surgery or even refractive surgery to remove the glasses, it is essential that all the aspects of the eye are checked prior to going ahead with any kind of surgery. So it is essential that you should get yourself evaluated in a tertiary care hospital with all specialities. And in the same note, I would like to say that at Vasana Care, Rajaji Nagar, we have all specialities under one roof. Specialities including cornea surgery, glass removal surgery, cataract surgery, retina surgery and glaucoma surgery. Even cosmetic surgery and surgery of areas around the eye are there available with us here. So anybody who is planning for any kind of surgery in the eye or even the common surgeries like cataract or glass removal, they should definitely get their entire eye screened so that post surgery the visual outcome which is there is the best that can be availed. So that is what I would want to say from to you guys, and thank you so much for coming and meeting us here. Thank you.
Okay, introduce.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Dr. Nivedita. I'm the regional claims head here for Karnataka and I represent Star Health Insurance Company. So we are glad that the Vasana Hospital has come forward to support our customers and agents with free retina and glaucoma screening and super specialist consultations which will be beneficial to all our insurers. So
Madam, ಇದರಿಂದ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ?
Sir, I would like to tell you that most of the people in India are suffering from eye issues. So insurance is something that is covering eye issues with, of course, there is a lot of terms and conditions, but most of the policies from all the companies do cover eye health issues in the policies. So coming forward and creating this awareness from the hospital and the insurance side will be definitely beneficial to the customers. Now, Vasan being one of the largest group chain of eye hospitals, they are supporting one of the largest insurance company, which is a private insurance company in India. So we are hoping that we can reach out to maximum customers, maximum people out there to give a better service. And when it's something like support with the best doctors around and giving a free service, I'm sure that will also bring in more people to come and get their eyes first screened, because most of them, when you see retina and glaucoma, it is not something like vision where it starts with a blurred vision and a person can actually get to know he has power or not. But when it comes to glaucoma and retina, there can be sudden changes in the eye or sudden blindness. So having a precautionary screening will be definitely very helpful for all the citizens in the country.